Okay, today we're gonna tackle putting on the new doors. So we'll take these pieces right here off. They come off with just a few screws. We'll clean up all the glue, and then we'll mount a hinge right about there and one down here and on the other side, and the doors will open up this way. The good thing is that the doors are on hinges that just lift off, so you can literally take the entire door off and stow it somewhere so you can get in and out without having a door in the way. So let's go to work. Okay, they're both off, and I just have a little bit more of the glue to take off. Use a little acetone, it'll take that right off. They're all cleaned up. I think looking pretty good. I think from here we'll start measuring to add the doors. Okay, so here are the door rails, and this is kind of how they start, like this. Nice rough edge there. And then I've routed both of them. I showed you a portion of it, just to put a nice clean edge on it. But they're all on. Okay, I know I didn't videotape it, but here's the finished product. There they go. I'll give that a couple hours to cure, and then I'll put the doors on. And there they are with the screens in. Just pull the side back. You just slide this off.